Hey, folks, I want to talk to you about something today that's very, very important and dear to my heart. There's a mentoring process and a coaching process that you should use with your people and your staff, and maybe even yourself. And your kids and your parents, whoever you want to talk to. So, coaching is all about taking someone and correcting something that's going on. Maybe it's a behavior, maybe it's something that they're doing, maybe it's something that they're showing up late, or they're going to lunch and they're staying too long, or they're not doing the process of inspecting the vehicle correctly. Anytime you're working with staff members about them not doing something that needs to be done, and there might be a better way to do it, that's coaching. Now, mentoring is taking somebody on your staff, your parents, your kids, your neighbors, and helping them lift their lid, putting the accountability on their shoulders about getting better at what they do. Service advisor says, man, I want to be a better service advisor. Great. Then what do you need to know to do that? I want to be a better technician. What do you need to know to do that? See, they're accountable for making themselves better. That's mentoring. So we teach something called an SMS and an SMS or an SBS. The behavior can be good or bad. The mentoring can be all good, and they raise their lid and they make a better staff member. If you want help on this, call me at 270-282-1262. Thank you so much.